This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. The Point at Jamestown. Fresh paint and new carpet in this 4-bedroom/2.5 traditional floor plan features an eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and pantry, family room with fireplace, living room, and dining room. Nice primary suite with walk-in closet and private bath with dual vanities, garden tub, and separate shower. Attached 2-car garage, patio, and large backyard. Established neighborhood convenient to Colonial, Williamsburg, Jamestown Settlement, Jamestown-Scotland Ferry, shopping, and restaurants. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.